Repairing and replacing stone can be complex, not just with respect to the removal but also in dealing with the planning considerations. People often find themselves being pulled between keeping repairs to a minimum on a listed building or a period property, whilst also needing to consider the façade's long-term performance. The key objective is to really try and solve the problems that's leading to the decay of the stone. This may lead to initially solving problems with the roof, pointing or the gutters where moisture, for example, is penetrating into the substrate, and then we look to undertake a sensitive repair, ensuring that the failing elements can function once again. In most cases, we would aim to retain as much as possible from the historic fabric, helping to maintain the building's authenticity. We would also spend time matching the colour and texture of the materials required to create an effective and sympathetic repair solution. Repairs to stone may require a wide range of methods and intervention, from surface treatments to structural repairs, and all the solutions proposed should be site and material specific. Where you feel unsure around the repair, how they would look, the impact on the building, you should always seek advice from a specialist. Choosing the type of repair is about understanding the implications of each repair and assessing the impact of the building's performance and heritage values, both now and into the future. It's worth considering how your repair will impact on other surfaces on the building and what protection is required during the repair process. It's often best to prioritise the repairs, to work with the most damaged or weak sections first. Undertake small repairs first and allow a period of time to see how the in situ stone reacts with the new repair, how it looks, how it feels. If you're working with a listed building, you'll be required to consult with your conservation or planning officer and allow them to plan and direct the level of repairs, as they may have a preference or a greater understanding of what's required and why. Ultimately, you'll want your repair to be a close match to the original substrate, both in terms of colour and texture. A repair should be a low-risk repair, so try and stay away from using clear or new innovative performance-based repair methods or products that are untested, as these may react badly with the older existing masonry. Ultimately, it's your property, and if it's not listed, it's your choice of what method or product you use. But if you own a period property, I'd suggest keeping your approach as traditional as possible, using high-quality lime mortar mixes. So when looking to repair, ensure you look at resolving the problems that related to the decay as well as a sensitive repair solution. Consider stabilising, stitching and reinforcing the stone structure. Consider if you're repairing or replacing. If you're repairing, what type of repair mortar are you going to use? Will the repair create a good match in terms of colour and texture? And have you investigated or solved the issues relating to the decay? Have you consulted with your planning and conservation officer? Ensure you start with the simplest and least aggressive repair technique. Undertake test repairs initially, and on a small scale, get approval from your architect, project team or conservation officer if your building's listed. For further advice and support on stone repairs or facade restoration solutions, contact a member of our team today.